Okay, so I'm going to be putting one there also on the right hand side. You see the wire coming in. Alright, and I'll put that in some conduit and run it up the wall, and I'll bring it up and over to this side, and I'll put a switch right inside the door. Now what that's going to be for is, let's say we're broke down and we're on the highway. I thought about hooking it up to my hazard lights, so when I turned on my hazard lights it would automatically come on, which I still might do, but I'm still going to put a switch, because there's not always do I want them to come on. But if I'm broke down on the side of the highway for whatever reason, I want some flashing lights to get people's attention, you know what I'm saying? So, alright, let me do the same thing over here and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, we got the other side hooked up, and I put the yellow side down like I did on that side, and got my rubber grommet, and now I'm going to hook these two together, and I'm going to run I'm going to run wires from my fused but unswitched circuit panel, which is in my utility room. And the reason I'm doing that is because if there's ever an issue with my battery system, with the, you know, the switch, or, you know, something a fuse blows, you know, for the entire trailer, I want these hazard lights to still function. So let me run some wire and I'll be back. Okay, we got some storms coming in. The wind has picked up. It's hard to see those in the daylight. But boy, at night they're really bright. Okay. That one seems to be stuck in that pattern. I can change the pattern. Almost looks like a blinker. So I'm going to change that pattern. But anyway, I mounted a temporary switch right there, off. Got my wires up and over. Behind the flag, coming out of there. Just got them go right up. You see if turn them off, turn them back on. No, it almost looks like a blinker light on this side. I don't like that. I want it to do that, or like what that's doing over there. No worries, I can fix it. Alright, let me finish battening down the hatches, because the storm is coming in. Okay, the rain has started. I can feel it. I got the trailer all buttoned up. I left the doors unlocked in case we need to come out here, you know, real quick. I don't want to be fucking around with the keys. I've got the keys with me. I've got took the propane tank, set them down on the ground, laid my sawhorses down. fairly high winds, so I'm not too concerned about it, but you never know. All right, I'll be back. All right, yeah, the rain is here. I just did a voltage check. I've got 100% charge. I'm ready to go in case we lose power. You know, we've got everything we need right out here in the trailer. In case, you know, we lose power in the house, we can go sit in the trailer, or I can plug in the generator. We got lots of options, but either way, we're not going to be without power, that's for sure. All right, let me close the garage, and I'm gonna try to upload this video before we lose power, because these storms usually do. So, all right, have a good day, and be safe out there.